Hey Milan, Joshua here with Peterson SEO, and thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about Zimax restoration, but before we get into that, I'd like to show you the three different ways on how you could be found by Google. So let's click over here, and if we type in, let's just say water damage restoration Los Angeles, and you kind of scroll down a bit, you'll see these sponsoreds up here. WaterDamageFixed.com is in the sponsored area. So that is one way on how you can be found on Google. Way number two that you could be found is in what we call the Map Pack area, which is these top three businesses up here. So 30% of your business would be made by your business being up here. That's the second way. Usually to get up here, you got to optimize your Google business profile, meaning put everything as completed 100%, and also you put what's called citations attached to your business profile. So that's kind of in a nutshell how you get up here. You just got to have more citations in these guys. The third way you could be found is what we call the organics. And let's see, 1, 2, 3. Here's these top three are the organics area. This is Yelp in the top position. Angie's is in the third, and what we do is we want to beat these guys. So these guys would be your competitor. Yelp is just national, so that's why they're up here, but they're not targeted locally. So Dry Master is targeted locally. Obviously, they're not targeted too locally because then they would be on top of Yelp. So anyway, with that being said, in a nutshell, those are the three different ways on how you can be found on Google. Alright, so let's move forward. Let's take a quick look at Zimax restoration. So let's take a quick look at your website. I like how you have your brand right here. You have your services, water, mold, fire, sound. Oh yeah, you do soundproofing. That's really cool. Gallery, about us. Okay, let's see. Oh nice, you got a clickable phone here where you can call 24 hours a day. Nice, I like this website. Okay, you got some decent content so far. Okay, let's scroll down. But what I'm not seeing in your website, what Google really looks for, is content. Now, Google really loves about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. And also, at least one keyword saved to every 250 words of content on the home page. So, from the looks of it, you got probably a couple hundred words of content on your home page alone. So, and that's okay. I mean, those are things that we can work on. So let's take a quick look at your competitor's website. Okay, drymaster.us. Okay, they have service drop down here. Okay. Okay, again, I'm not seeing. Okay, there's a keyword there. See how these go underlined? These are saved as keywords in their content. So they got a couple together. Water damage. This is why they're on that page. One of the reasons. As far as content goes, though, I mean, it seems like you guys got them beat. They got maybe 100 words of content, if that. So in the content area, it looks like you got them beat. So let's take a quick look at a tool that anyone can use, and it's called Ahrefs, and it basically just shows a live view of where your website is right now. This is right here is the strength of your website of a scale of 100. The DR right here is the trust that Google has for it. But we really want to look for on these because these matter when these numbers are closer together. So it all ties into your do follow and referrings. But what we really want to discuss is about your referring domains and how many backlinks and organics you have going through here. So basically you got 41 backlinks with 21 referring domains going to them, using 25 organic keywords on Zimax restoration. So let's take a quick look at your keywords, and these are your top 20 keywords that you're using right now. So in a nutshell, I mean, it says here you have 25, so excuse me. So basically this is showing us the volume of each keyword that you're receiving your traffic from. So let's take a quick look. Backlinks, usually all are not created equal. So as you can see here, let's go and check out your competitor's site. Now, take a quick look at their URL rating and their domain rating. Now, it's a little bit lower than yours. Okay, that doesn't mean anything. Just look at how many backlinks and referring domains they got. Okay, so what's going on is they have 307 backlinks compared to your 41. They got 48 referring domains going, and you have 21 referring back to that. They have 49 organic keywords. So basically, in a nutshell, with organic keywords, they're beating you there as far as referring domains as well. So I mean, if you did content, I mean, you could just with content alone, you could start outranking these guys. No issues. Um, so all these things are very important to ranking your website. So I mean, we have access. Like if we were to click on organic keywords, we know which words they're using and what they're using to get their site up there and how much traffic they have using their keywords tied to their website. So um, I mean, check it out. 500 volume on that. That's huge. So so yeah, in a nutshell, I mean, that's about all I have, um, Mylan, for you today. Let's just do a quick recap. The three different ways on how you can be found is way number one, your sponsors up here. Your way number two, where you get 30% of your business right here, is the map pack area, and you really need to work on your Google Business Profile to keep it up to date every month. So that would absolutely be crucial to maintaining it up here. And of course, ultimately, the organic 70% of your business comes from here. So I mean, basically, if you're not up here, you're leaving money on the table, basically. So I would highly recommend being up here. But with that, that's about all I have for you, Mylan. I hope this information was informational to you. I hope it's useful to you. If you happen to need a guide to help you and direct you, please don't hesitate. Feel free to give me a call. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Peterson Consulting SEO.com. That's, Peterson SEO Consulting.com. And my name is Joshua Gutierrez. You can call me at 505-331-7995. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye now.